We asked our sales experts what are the most common mistakes made during presentations. And they told us when the salesperson talks more than the client, rather than listening to them. Just talking about you and your company. It's about them, their company, their problems. Failing to clearly demonstrate how your solutions fix their problem or need. Not rehearsing. Do this out loud. Things often sound better when spoken aloud rather than read. If you would like to upgrade your sales skills with a sales qualification, get in touch with the qualification team.